Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, bro. The other class that we were talking about with Mashgiach and how they're there for the restaurants and whatnot. If you were to open a restaurant yourself, can you be the Mashgiach yourself and the cook, or is that what the Mashgiach is for you to hire him? Even though you know what needs to be done, what is not allowed, and whatnot.
Okay, so that's amazing question. So that's amazing question. So let me just elaborate on this question a little. So we in our Tuesday class, right? In our Tuesday class, we're talking about kosher restaurants, right? And then the thing that we need a mashgiach. So why? Because like for example, you have these workers that are not Jews or some non-religious Jews, even as a owner of the restaurant, right? So even this owner of the restaurant, he has a business, but it's he didn't go into it because he wants to feed the Jews kosher food. He just wants to make money, and it's a good market in a place where I live. On some blocks, I don't know how much people eat. It's like 3 or 4 or 5 restaurants on one block. It's a big city block, but still 5 restaurants, like not huge one, but still some of the takeouts. But it's crazy, absolutely crazy. Right, so big competition. Okay, so the question is, do you need a mashgiach? It's a very interesting question. It's not such an easy question. So in some neighborhoods, when everybody knows you, when everybody knows that you're a kosher person, so you don't need a mashgiach. So if they trust you, that's it. So you're on the mashgiach. Of course, you have a rabbi, and this rabbi is going to come from time to time and check on you, right, and see if everything is kosher there. And that's it. So not constant mashgiach. So is everybody knows it. And my father, alav shalom, so he used to work in this caterer business. So in Williamsburg, it's one of the most religious neighborhoods in the world, right? Williamsburg. And this person ran the kitchen, this catering from his own house. So my father was working in the kitchen. He was a cook there. Okay, so no supervision since everybody was Jews. There were not Jews, right? And this person was always there. His mother was there, so no mashgiach. A rabbi would come like from time to time, like maybe once a month. Oh no, actually every Shabbos he would come and buy stuff. So everybody would see if rabbi buying from this person. Of course we can buy, right? But okay. Right, but if people do not know you and they come and there is no mashgiach, so they would have some doubts and say, can we buy from here? We do not know you, we cannot trust you. Like that's are you obligated to hire mashgiach? You're not obligated, but if people are not going to come because they cannot trust you, that would be the issue. You understand? So that's why many people get mashgiach, and in some like things that it's not a big deal. Like I would say, I don't know what is it, like a pizza place. So mashgiach would come and go. Right? He can work on in several locations. But when it's meat, it's more serious people, more serious businesses. We said they lock the meat. In a freezer with a padlock and stuff like that, so to make sure that nothing is going to happen to this meat. You understand? So it depends if you own the business. So if somebody said that this person is not so religious, we saw him do something on Shabbat, so that's maybe it's true, maybe not true. Maybe you drove your wife to the hospital, but in their mind that's. So you're already not kosher. But if there is like second pair of eyes that somebody's watching you, so that people like it much more. You understand? That's the answer. So the bottom line, it depends who you are and where you live. If they know you and they trust you, no problem. If they do not know you and like you're new person in the neighborhood. Why they trust you just because you said kosher? Says who? Maybe it's not kosher. You understand? So I give you this example. I bought the meat today for Shabbos. So I go to this guy. I spoke about this guy before. So this guy does not remove for me. He does not remove any signs of kosher. So I have this seal, like huge seal of kashrut. So he keeps for me. Okay. I mean, he's nice guy, religious, but I'd like to see some proof that it is kosher. You understand? So that's the thing. Okay. Any other questions?